Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to maximize your earnings on the FaucetPay website. Whether you're new to FaucetPay or you've been using it for a while, these tips will help you get the most out of the platform. So, if you want to make more crypto, stick around and watch the full video. Let's dive in. First, let's quickly talk about what FaucetPay is. FaucetPay is a micro wallet and earning platform where you can collect small amounts of cryptocurrency from various faucets, PTC ads, offer walls, and more. It's a great way to earn a little extra crypto without investing any money. Now let's go over the best ways to maximize your earnings. One of the easiest ways to earn on FaucetPay is by using faucets. These are websites that give you small amounts of crypto for free, usually for completing a simple task like clicking a button or solving a CAPTCHA. To maximize your earnings, use as many faucets as possible to increase your earnings. FaucetPay lists a lot of partner faucets. Choose the ones that work best for you. Most faucets allow you to claim rewards every few minutes. Set a timer and claim as often as possible to maximize your income. Use faucet rotators to quickly switch between different faucets and claim from multiple sites without wasting time. And don't worry, I left a link in the description to one of the cheapest faucet rotators. Next, let's talk about offer walls and surveys. These are great ways to boost your FaucetPay balance, but you need to know how to use them effectively. Browse through the available offers and choose the ones that offer the highest rewards. These could include signing up for trials, downloading apps, or completing surveys. Sometimes offer walls will have boosted earnings. Check regularly to see if there's a bonus available so you can maximize your earnings. Surveys are an easy way to earn, but always answer honestly. Consistent and truthful responses will increase your chances of getting more surveys in the future. Paid-to-click PTC ads are another simple way to earn. While the payouts might be small, they add up over time. Make it a habit to click on ads every day. It only takes a few seconds, and those small amounts of crypto will start to add up. Prioritize the ads that pay more, but don't skip the smaller ones. Every little bit counts. FaucetPay also has some games where you can multiply your earnings, like the dice game. But be careful. These are gambling games, so there's always a risk of losing your crypto. If you decide to play, set your win chance high to minimize your risk. While the payouts may be smaller, you'll have a better chance of winning. Don't gamble more than you're willing to lose. Keep it fun and don't get carried away. Referrals are one of the best ways to earn passive income on FaucetPay. Here's how you can make the most of them. Share your referral link on social media, forums, or with friends. The more people you refer, the more you earn. Finally, once you've accumulated enough crypto, it's time to cash out. FaucetPay offers different withdrawal options, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other popular cryptocurrencies. Check the fees and processing times for different methods, and pick the one that suits you best. Don't let your crypto sit in FaucetPay for too long. Withdraw regularly to avoid potential losses from market fluctuations. And that's it for today's video. By following these tips, you can maximize your earnings on FaucetPay and grow your crypto portfolio without much effort. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more content on how to earn crypto online. All the links you need are in the description below. Thanks for watching and happy earning.